Hello everyone, if you're getting this error, the version of AMD software is not compatible with your currently installed AMD graphics driver, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your AMD graphics card easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here device manager, and then you're going to go into display adapters here, you're going to right click on your graphics card, go into properties, go into driver, and here if you have rollback driver enabled, just click on it and roll back the driver and you should be good to go. But if you don't have it enabled, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for DDU, you're going to go to this link from Guru 3D, you're going to go ahead and download this DDU software, and then you're going to open it up and extract it. And once you're done extracting it, you're going to go to its directory, open up the exe file and extract it as well. And once you have done that, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the .exe file, display driver and installer. Click yes on here, select GPU from here, and then select your graphics card AMD from here. Click clean and restart. This will uninstall your graphics card driver. And after that, you're going to open up your web browser again. You're going to search for AMD Adrenalin. You're going to go to this first link from amd.com. Go into resources and support, click drivers here, scroll down, click graphics, select your graphics card here, select the generation here, select the graphics card, click submit, select your operating system, click download then, and download and install the graphics card's driver, and then restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play any game, you'll see that you will not get that AMD driver compatible error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.